Once upon a time in a cheerful village, Lila the lamb found a pair of sparkly red shoes by the river. "These look fun," she bleated, slipping them on. Suddenly, her hooves started tapping. The shoes were enchanted. They made her dance wildly through the village square. She twirled past Benny the bunny, who hopped along, giggling. She spun by Clara the cow, who mooed in delight as Lila's fluffy wool bounced. But the shoes wouldn't stop. Lila danced into Mr. Owl's library, knocking over books. "Hoo! Slow down!" he hooted. Desperate, Lila pranced to the village pond. And Freddie the Frog had an idea. "Jump in! Water might stop the magic splash!" Lila leaped in and the shoes sputtered and then stopped. "Soaked but free!" Lila laughed as her friends clapped. The shoes were now ordinary, but still sparkly, so Lila kept them for dress. The village kids made up a song about Lila's dancing day, and every time she wore the shoes, everyone pretended to dance and giggle until their sides hurt. Lila learned to check for magic before trying new things, but she never forgot her hilarious adventure. The end.